Hi, I'm Dom, and today we take a look at Fluffs' signature amp sim from Rift Beards and Gear. The amp sim is from ML Sound Labs, but this is Fluffs' signature amp sim. And I don't think I need to tell you the amp I believe represents the tone of the 5153, which if you look up at Sweetwater is a $1,500 amp head. You are now gifted with it for free. I mean, Fluffers, put it out there for the world. You can get it for free. Um, Here's the best part. This guy owns three different 5150 heads that I know of. If anybody knows the 5150 tone, it's Fluffs. So, I mean, you're pretty much, I think you guys are going to like this Amp. Let's check it out.